Everyone says YouTube takes forever. One video, days of work. Constant burnout. But here's my reality. In 2025, I make 10 videos in one day. No, I'm not working 24 hours straight. And no, I'm not cutting corners that ruin quality. I use YouTube automation systems so I can produce fast and still make content that grows my channel. Today, I am breaking down exactly how I do it step by step so you can scale your content without losing your mind. Step 1. Plan in bulk. The secret to fast production isn't editing faster, it's planning better. I batch research topics one day a week. I'll look at trends, TubeBuddy keyword data, competitor uploads, then I build a list of 10 high-click potential video ideas before I touch a camera or open an editor. That means when production day comes, I'm not wasting time wondering what to make. Step 2. Script in bulk. Once my topics are locked in, I use AI scripting tools like ChatGPT to draft each script. But here's the key. I customize every single one. I add my own angles, examples, and hooks so they're unique. With practice, I can write or polish 10 scripts in 2 to 3 hours. Step 3. Voiceover in bulk. Instead of recording one video at a time, I record all 10 scripts back to back in a single sitting. Or, if I'm going full automation, I run them through a realistic AI voice generator like Elite. Batching like this means I only have to get my recording setup ready once. Step 4. Edit in bulk. I outsource to editors who can work in parallel, meaning multiple videos get made at once. If I edit myself, I use template projects in my editing software. This way, I don't have to redesign lower thirds, intros, or animations for every video. They're pre-built. Step 5. Thumbnail and metadata in bulk. While videos are being edited, I work on thumbnails and titles. I'll make all 10 thumbnails in one design session using Canva templates. Just swap text, tweak colors, and done. For titles, I use TubeBuddy's A/B testing to find the ones with the highest CTR potential. Step 6. Upload and schedule in bulk. Once all 10 videos are ready, I schedule them in YouTube Studio for the next 2 to 3 weeks. That means I can focus on promotion, comments, and analytics, not stressing about making my next upload on time. Why batching works. Switching between different creative tasks slows you down. When you stay in one mode, research mode, script mode, recording mode, editing mode, your brain moves faster and you get more done. With this system, 10 videos a day isn't a grind. It's just a workflow. And the best part, it frees you to focus on growing your channel instead of constantly playing catch-up.